All right, you guys, so a few questions about the stove and my accessories for the stove and all of that. So one question was, where did I get the liners? I got the liners from Amazon. As you can see, it's a messy stove, right? That's what happens when you get done cooking. It gets messy. So all you have to do is take off the grates. And I recommend you to dust all of your crumbs outside first. Take off all of your accessories. All right. Nice and easy, you guys. This is easy cleanup. This is probably the best thing you can buy for your stove. All right. I will put a link in the description. And there you go. Fold it. Now it'll be easier if I had two hands, but I'm kind of showing y'all at the same time, so it's going to be crumbs going all over the place, but y'all kind of get the point. All right, so you fold that, and you see, nice and easy wipe, you guys. Now if we didn't have this liner, it will definitely be messier than that. All right, you guys. Now, one of the biggest questions of them all when it comes to the Samsung stove right here, how to take these grates off. So I'm pretty sure you try to do this the whole time, right? And it won't come off. This is what you have to do. Now, you see this bracket right here. There's a little bracket. There's a screw right here. All right. Lefty loosey, and I can't really see that good, so I'm kind of looking at the camera at the same time, so give me a second. Nope, that ain't it. Okay, I gotta get in. All right, now I can see. All right, there we go. Lefty loosey. Make sure you don't drop the screw. All right, take the screw off, and voila. That's how you take the grate off if you want to clean right there. All right, and it's already installed in it. That's how it stays in right there. Okay, so if you want to just leave it there, you can just leave it there. You don't really have to screw it if you don't want to, but it was already like that when we got the stove. So that's how you take the vents grate off, or the grates for the vent. So you can go ahead, clean out all of that junk right there, and same for the other side. Get back here and be patient. All right, lefty loosey. All right. And then take the grate off. And that's how you take the grates off of your Samsung stove, you guys. All right. Little quick things that I had to show y'all because it was in the comment section and I wanted to do a video on it. So for the people that had a comment about it, I will tag this video under their comment so they can see how to take the grate off. They can see that the liner and all of that. And I do have other accessories, like, you know, when egg spills between the crack, I have these as well. I will put links in the description where you can buy these. So that way you're not spilling eggs down your cabinet, between your cabinet and your stove, you know, or whatever else goes down between the cabinet and stove. So we're cleaning up today. All right. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.